Hi, I'm John and I'm here with AO, and today I'm going to tell you how to pair your AirPods Max with any device. So if you're pairing your headphones to an iPad or an iPhone, what you need to do is unlock your phone, take the headphones out of the smart case and hold them nearby. You'll soon be prompted on the screen to pair. Up pops an animated box, click connect, and you're set to go. So if you're pairing to an Android or Windows device, what you need to do is go to your Bluetooth settings, go to the Bluetooth pairing list, then take your headphones out of the smart case and press and hold the button on the side for 5 seconds. What you're going to see is in the right ear cup is a white pulsing light at the bottom. Go back to the Bluetooth list. You'll now see AirPods Max on the list. Click on that and follow the instructions to connect. When pairing with a Mac, what you need to do is go to System Settings, make sure that Bluetooth is turned on, and then open up your smart case, take your headphones out, press and hold the noise cancelling button for 5 seconds. Again, wait for the white pulsing light at the bottom of the right ear cup, and that means it's ready to pair. Go to your list of paired devices, select the AirPods Max and click connect. And there you go. If you're finding that your headphones are struggling to connect, what you might need to do is a reset. Take your headphones out of the case, press and hold both the crown and the noise cancelling button and hold them for 10 seconds. You'll see the light on the bottom of the headphones turn amber. At that point, immediately release the buttons. This means they are now reset. Try and follow the steps again to see if they connect. If this doesn't work, you may need to do a factory reset. Follow the same procedure. Press and hold both the crown button and the noise cancelling button for 15 seconds. It'll go beyond the amber light to a white light. This will unpair them from your iCloud account and return it to factory settings.